Hello friends, welcome back. My name is Mustafa and you are watching my tutorial. In this video we will learn about ngif, then and else. Friend, I would strongly like to recommend you to watch part 15 of this video series to understand this video better. In the part 15 I have discussed in a very great detail about the ngif structural directives. I will provide link in the description below. Let's flip to Visual Studio Code where we will do practical demo for the same. Here we go. If you see this div, I am using ngif structural directive and applying this is logged in property. If you come to app.component.ts, I have here is logged in property that holds true. Save the changes and flip to browser. Here we are able to see welcome back to my-tutoria.com. This is happening because this is logged in property holds true. Let's delete this code and uncomment this one. Here you can see that I am using attribute binding. If you see this square bracket, this indicates attribute binding. If you come to browser, you can see that we are able to see the same output. Inspect the element and you can see that we are able to see div here. Let's remove this code and uncomment this one. Here I am using ngif structural directive and using the same property that is declared in the app component.ts. If I remove this code, it is the same that we saw below. It is saying if is logged in is true, show me this one. But what if I undo this one? See, it is saying else show this block. So what will happen if the is logged in is true? This line of code will be displayed. Otherwise, else block will be displayed here. And you can see that this line of code is called, the highlighted one, is called template reference variable. Means you are giving, you can say a name that you can reference anywhere in the template. Let me show you the definition of template reference variable. If you come to Angular official website, it says that a template reference variable often a reference to DOM element. Means what? It is a reference to DOM element. Means if you see here, it is referencing a DOM element here. So what will happen if is logged in is true, this block of code will be executed, else this block of code will be executed. As of now the value is true, so this line of code will be executed. Save the changes and flip to browser. And here you can see that we are able to see expected output. Let me modify this one to false. Save the changes and now you can see that we are able to see login again. So this is how else block works. Let me remove this one and uncomment this code. If you see the first line of div, here I am using ngif structural directives and I am using the same property. So what will happen if this is logged in property holds true, then this then block will be executed, else this else block will be executed. And remember that this name can be anything. So you see I'm referencing this value here. And for the else block, I'm referencing this template reference variable here. So as of now, the value is false. For the false, else block will be executed. Save the changes and you can see that login again will be displayed on the screen. Modify the value from false to true. Save the changes and now we should be able to see this value. Here we go. I would like to request all of you to please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.